Hey everyone, welcome back to another video of One More Cast Fishing. Yee yee! Whoop! Oh! Yes everyone, welcome back to another video. Guys, I'm not going to be out on the water today. That clip that started this video out, that was from yesterday. I went out, tried to shoot a video, guys, with my friend, and that did not work at all. There were no fish caught, and I could have uploaded it. I could have been real with you guys then, but I'm going to be real with you guys now. We didn't catch anything, like nothing. So I'm not going to put you through that video. That's not much of a video at all. But I'm going back out tonight with another friend. We're going to do some pond hopping for you guys. We're going to hit a pond that he has fished in previous years, hasn't fished this year, but he thinks there's some good ones in there, so we're gonna give it a dangle. We're gonna go after it. Real quick, guys, thank you so much. We got to 50 subscribers. It's not a lot, but it's a huge milestone. It's half of 100. So, guys, if you're watching this right now and you are not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button down below. It's gonna be good. This video is gonna be juicy. I have a feeling. Stay tuned. Yeah, he's taking a piss right now. All right, everyone. So my buddy Gabe and I just got to the first pond that we're gonna stop at. Don't know if we'll get kicked out or not. If we do, we got other ponds in mind. And if this is a bust, we also, like I said, we got other ponds in mind.
What's up? How you guys doing?
Yeah, this is the first time this year fishing with Gabe. He's a good buddy of mine. We got close recently this year. Guys, I'm gonna put you to my chesty. He's gonna have his GoPro on his head mount, and we're gonna get after it. Stay tuned. You want to make this a 1v1 challenge?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, guys. Gabe and I, we're gonna make this a 1v1 challenge. What, you want to do it like just at the end of the night, whenever we're done?
Yeah, whenever we're done. You want to do many fish or biggest fish?
We'll
do how many fish?
Yeah, how many fish? Person who catches the most fish wins this little 1v1 challenge we're gonna do. Are you serious? Where? In front of you? Time check for you guys, 5:14. No fish on the board, not even a bite.
The level of cheese is unreal.
Well, just got kicked out, like I called. My friend Gabe, he kind of knows the guy, doesn't really. He's talked to him before. This isn't any of our lands. This is a random guy's land, and he's let him fish it before in previous years, and well, he wasn't having it today. So we just got kicked out. Not too happy about it, but whatever. We got other ponds to hop. This place wasn't really producing much anyways. So we're gonna head over to, Gabe has his own pond, and there's another pond near it. So we're gonna hit those two and hopefully get some better fish, and we definitely won't get kicked out of these two. Well, okay, we might get kicked out of one of them, but yeah, probably not. Might, I don't know. We'll see. We'll just see. Stay tuned. All right, guys. So got to our next spot. Another pond. It's not ours. We tried to go to Gabe's pond, but we couldn't. There's a gate up and it's locked, so we couldn't get in there. And we found this other pond on the way, and we had to go on railroad tracks. Yeah. Use Google Maps, and we found this back here, so we're gonna give it a shot. There is a no trespassing sign, and hopefully we don't get kicked out of this. I'm telling you what, that guy at the previous pond was a complete asshole. He was honestly, it was just stupid, but whatever. It's his pond, his land, whatever. We gotta respect it. But yeah, so we're gonna try this one. Hopefully we don't get kicked out of this one, and yeah, just stay tuned. All right, guys, so we walked and got to this pond. Look at the guy. These people have a paddleboard right here. Technically, I guess we could go out on it and try and catch some fish for you guys, but we don't want to risk that in case there's trail cams around or anything. And I don't know, it's just not our property, so we're not going to do that. But this looks really good. See if one wants to munch on a Senko. You said you got smoked? Set the hook. There's one. Yep. Oh, no. Dude, that was a good one. Yeah. Dude, that was a good one. Oh my God. Okay. Oh my God, guys, that was a good one.
Well, you guys just witnessed the CEO, the owner of the YouTube channel, Omar Cast Fishing, and I just missed one. Omar Cast Fishing not set the hook properly.
It is.
Oh, I got one. Yeah. Nah, it's not bad. All right, right there. There's one for me, guys.
All right, guys, Gabe just got one. It's 1-0. Nice little New York brute.
Right on the fluke, little pink dripped.
Hey,
1-0.
1-0.
Give it a little Lake Fork smell, huh?
A little Lake Fork. Shout out to Lake Fork guy. He's a lucky kid. He'll get some fish every now and then. It's all luck though, no skill.
Yeah, is it?
He doesn't know what he's doing. How many times can I flip to a reed pile and not get bit? That's gonna be the big question. Guys, a bass got it. Oh my God. Dude, biggin. Huh? Yeah, like. Oh my God. This thing. There's a big bass right here. Got it. Yep. Oh yeah, baby. Not bad at all. Dude, that's a nice one. Get that sucker. Okay. Nice little chunk.
Nice little chunk. What you catching on?
Come on that trench hog, Guggen based trench hog. Not bad at all. Texas rigged, flip it in. Let's get the release on this guy. There he goes. Dude, so I came up. That is actually sick. I came up.
Saw him.
No, a frog went in and he was sitting right on this brick wall.
Really?
I'm not kidding. He dove at the frog. It was insane. I was like, oh my God. All right, guys, the score is now 1-1. Gabe doesn't know what he's getting into. Doesn't matter how big it is. All you have to do is just catch a fish. I got a Senko. He's got a little soft plastic hog on.
Where the bass at? Where the bass at?
Guys, there is a bass right there. There is a bass. A nice one too. I have to catch him. There's one. Oh my God, guys, this is a big one. I don't know how I should get him up. Get up here. Game over! Woo! This is a nice little chunk too. Healthy fish. This is a healthy one. Guys, nice healthy fish right there. Probably a little over a pound. The last one I caught had a big head on it, but it was spawned out. It was so skinny, disgusting looking. But this is a nice healthy fish. I saw him right there in front of that log, and I think I spooked him, but then I cast out behind him and he just crushed it. Nice fish. There we go. There he goes. Woo! Come on, Senko. 2-1, game over. We'll keep fishing a little bit. We said next fish wins, so it looks like I win. But we're gonna have some fun now. We're gonna keep fishing. Can I say that again?
Congratulations. I can't say it on camera.
All right, guys, that is it for today. Thank you so much for clicking on the video and taking your time to watch it. If you got to this point, thank you so much for watching all the way through. I ended up being the champ in our little 1v1 fishing competition. There will definitely be another, maybe next week, hopefully. But yeah, thank you so much. Thank you for taking the time. Guys, if you like this video, please hit that like button and also hit that little red subscribe button. We got to 50. Thank you so much for getting me to 50. Let's get to 100. Thank you so much. As always, tight lines, keep fishing.